G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Ultimate chicken sandwich. Riff on a Vietnamese roll. Really simple to prepare and highly enjoyable. Here's all the ingredients. Not that many ingredients and pretty easy to do. So the chicken tenderloins have been marinated in garlic, coriander, turmeric powder, lemon juice, green chilli and red chilli flakes. Preparing the salad component now. Always cut off the ends from lemons so you get more juice out of them. So lemon juice, chili paste, lettuce, red onion, cucumber. Use the seeds, don't use the seeds. Depends on how gritty the seeds are, pretty much. Cut everything up so it's roughly the same size. So it's just easier to mix and feels better in your mouth. The tomato, I'm cutting tomato cheeks, then cutting them into tomato ribbons. The tomato seeds aren't going to waste, they're going to be veg stock. Notice with the herbs, the mint here, I don't want any stalk. Sometimes stalk is bitter. I bruise the leaves well, then I chop them up roughly. When you bruise them, you release more flavour and your dish tastes better. So throw all that veg in with the chili paste and your lemon juice, chuck in some salt and pepper, and you're right to go. Now you can use that kind of salad mix with poached chicken or poached fish if you want, or as a side salad. With your baguette, take the ends off, cut in half, and then cut out the centre. The centre won't go to waste, neither will the ends. You can use it in breadcrumbs, you can use it to thicken up a soup, or you can use it for croutons. Butter it liberally. Chop up your baked chicken tenderloins. Notice how moist and beautiful they are. This is a really simple sandwich to make. Bit of your salad mix, some of the chicken tenderloins, more salad mix, more chicken tenderloins, and we can only fit so much in the sandwich because we've cut the inside out of the bread. So look at how full that is, and look at the balance between filling and roll. Pretty sexy. If you want to be fancy, cut it on the bias so it looks better on your plate. Plate it up, or just eat it straight from the chopping board. Really tasty, really